Right, today's exciting job is to replace the freewheel on my single speed. I'm going to use this tool here, which is it's a Park freewheel tool remover, or freewheel remover tool, and it fits onto the type of freewheel which has these slots here. First of all, I'm going to need to remove the chain tug. Then I'm going to put the tool onto the freewheel and just put that nut on there, just to hold the tool in place. Now I'll take my largest spanner and put it on here. It's going to go on the ground now, and this could get a bit ugly. And as you can see, it ain't shifting. Bastard! This is typical. It really don't want to come off. So I'm going to try something else. Right, the second approach involves putting the wheel and the tool in a vise, and we'll try and do this without wrenching the vise off the bench, just by turning the wheel. Now that actually loosened it enormously when I applied quite a bit of force with the camera off. So that can now come out. Remove that nut. Remove the tool. Oops, apologies. One freewheel removed, and the tool that did the job.